Thutha wa kugacira mahenya-ini ma gutua ng'ongo muteng'eri wi gatũ Eliud Kipchoge niambikite mitaratara ya kugacirithia maria maturigiceirie na kugitira ucenjia wa riera bururi-ini. Anyitanire na ruhonge rwa KFS na anyiti itemi sector-ini ya maria maturigiceirie, Kipchoge ni yukitie gicunji kia muigana wa eka 130 mutito-ini wa Kaptagat kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet uria ukoretwo thukangitio kwa ihinda iraya.
Communities is part of the forest. Community is part of our citizens. We are making the communities actually around to own the forest, to know that the forest is their own. We are only fencing to make sure that actually animals cannot encroach on the planted trees.
From the Kaptagat, Cherangani Hills, that's where you find all the rivers that are going, the Nzoia, the Yala, they all originate from here. So the more you do in this part, the more you sort out the issue downstream.
Niguo gutigirira bururi wothe ni wagacirithia mititu na ihumo cia mai, Kipchoge ni aniriire kiroto gia kuiyukia icunji cia mititu iria ithukangitio kaunti-ini ciothe 47.
Our bucket list actually as Eliud Kipchoge Foundation. We have a plan to adopt forest in each county in this country, and we trust actually we will achieve it. That's why I call all those actually like-minded sponsors to partner with us, and we move forward. We make Kenya clean, and we make our country happy.
The partnership is one that has given us an opportunity to work with Eliud to rehabilitate about 50.8 hectares.
Mubango uyu ni unyititwo mbaru ni ministry ya mititu na maria maturigiceirie. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Chris Kipto akiuga mibango teno ni iteithiriirie bururi kwambatiria gicunji kia mititu.
To this 6th edition, we are talking of 1,277 hectares that have been rehabilitated.
Today we are here to kick off the afforestation program for this site as part of our larger contribution of about 130 hectares this year within the Kaptagat landscape.
Ikundi kuma sekta-ini ya bengi, ukui wa ndege, thukuru cia university na honge cia ugiteri wa maria maturigiceirie kuma nja wa bururi ni manyitanire na Kipchoge na kwanira guthi na mbere na kumuteithiriria.
As Jambo Jet, our plan is within the next 10 years to do at least 2 million trees. Us is to continuously improve in the technology that is there that reduces the carbon emission, but also on the other hand is to join in the environmental conservation.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.